Hello, everyone. In this video, we will look at how to use Intellij IDE. Intellij is an IDE for developing Java programs. You can actually also use it for other programming languages, but now we're going to look at only for developing Java programs. You can download Intellij from Google and just search Intellij download. So this is the Intellij download. And here comes the first one here, and download Intellij IDE. All right, so I'm gonna click on this. All right, so now you can download it for Windows, Mac OS, Linux. And so I'm gonna have this Windows on my machine. Now you're gonna see this is a free 30-day try available. Now, if you're a student and instructor, you can get it for free. So how do you get it for free? Let's go to this tab, Education here. From here, Education, you can see here it's free license for students and teachers for individual academic use. Just click on this. This is clickable. All right, so now you can get this information, so free educational license, and read it right here. Move to this button, Apply Now. Click Apply Now. You can fill in the information. I'm a student, I'm a teacher. All right, so here, and after you submit and the information with your school email, pretty soon, normally within 2 hours, you're going to receive the license information, and then you need to actually create an account and to see the license in the account. So I'm going to go to get into my account I created here. So this is the my account. So I have the student pack license. So this is all my license here. And I already have this. And so I'm going to use it now. So you can download this Intellij IDE from here. All right, I already have this downloaded. So you just download it and follow the default steps and to install it. And after you install it, and you can use it now. So here, this is Intellij IDE, so I'm going to use it. All right, I'm going to create a brand new project. So from scratch, so I'm going to create a new project. So this is a new file, new project. So look, this is going to be a new project. Click on this new project. I'm going to call this new project is demo 5. And this, you can choose a location. So I'm going to just choose this temp location here. And the language is already here, is Java. And this is build system. I'm going to use Intellij. So this is the JDK. Now, I already have JDK before I install Intellij. If you don't have it, you need to get JDK installed first. And you can just use any latest JDK and this will work. All right, so just see what I have here, and I'm going to create the project. So this is the open project. And so here, where would you like to open this? I'm just this window. All right, here we go. And I have this now. Okay, and now I'm going to I'm going to do this. So by default, it actually generates a program already for you. So this is the program. Actually, you can run the program. So I'm going to create my own program here. So I'm going to create my own program here under the source and right-click this new and Java class. So I'm going to call this is welcome. So here's Java class, welcome. So what you do now, it's press the enter key. Okay, so now you see welcome is here. All right, so I'm going to go have this is public static void main string brackets args. So this is the code from the book. The first example, I'm just going to type in print line and welcome to Java. All right, so this is finished. I'm going to run it. Do you see this is the arrow right here? And see, this is here, arrow, and this is the one right here, the main. You can run this welcome.main. You can run this. The main method here is all right. So here's welcome to Java. Well, let me create another program from the book. So I'm going to create another new Java class, and this time I'm going to say compute average. So I'm going to copy compute average from chapter 2, section 2.4. So here's compute average. I'm going to just copy the code from the book. So here, I'm going to copy the code is compute average.java. Okay, so I'm just copy and paste right here. All right, it's right here. It's copy and paste here from the book. And now I'm going to write it. You can write, look here, from this right here. Or you can just go to point to this and choose run. And here, this is run. And so you can write it from here. All right, so now let's run this program. And you're going to enter numbers 2.4. There's 3 numbers. You have to enter 3 numbers, 2.4, 3.4, 6.8. All right, so here's the average. It's 4.2. All right, that is all for this introduction to Intelligent IDE. Next video, I'm going to show you how to create Java FX programs from Intellij. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.